Okay guys, I'm in the park. Like I said earlier, I forgot my stand, so I won't be able to take any pictures today that I wanted to do. I wanted to do some selfies, basically some self-portraits today, but I seriously forgot my stand. And by the time I get back home, pick up the stand, come back, the park will be closed, the sunset will be gone, so kind of defeats all the purposes, but that's okay. We're here. If I find a spot to take some good self-portraits, then I'll do that. But right now we're just taking landscape shots and learning the camera, learning the body, learning the process, and it's going well. Yeah. The verse tank, I'm just starting though. Yeah, so it's no videos up now. Thank you. She's a sweetheart. Okay, I don't know where else. I've been to this park a million times and I don't know where to go. This camera is heavy. Okay, my arm is really tired. I'm trying not to step in shit, but I've already stepped in twice, and I got on a pair of all white Adidas. It happens, I guess. I'm gonna go try and get some by this water. Oh, this would be a nice shot. Hold on. Okay, so I got some pretty awesome shots of the lake down there. I'm gonna see if I can make it. Let's just see if we can make it down there to get some shots of the water, because it's so pretty and I want to see it, and you could barely see it from where I was. So we're going to go down and get some of that, right? Get some of those shots. This view is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Look. Absolutely beautiful. So I can already tell what my next to-do list is, and that's definitely, oh yeah, no, I'm not going down there. There's no way. But it's definitely to get an extra battery and a microphone, because I know it's a lot of beautiful sounds to capture here too, not just footage, not just pictures. Guys, look at the view. Oh my god. Is beautiful, but yeah, I'm gonna need a new battery and a new microphone so I can capture some stuff. I think I can get to the water down this hill and then it's straight down there. So, as far as I remember, these hills are steep, so I'm gonna cry coming back, but it's it's okay. My battery's dying, so I probably won't be able to make the harbor today, which is fine. That's okay. I can always go later if my battery actually indeed dies by the time I get back. I hope it doesn't. I do want at least like 3 good pictures of the harbor. I want the Ferris wheel, I want the water, and just like another random shot. But my battery is on E, so I don't know if that's going to happen, but we're going to try, okay? We're going to waste the gas, and we're going to try to go get that shot. So, let's go. Y'all, I look dumb trying to take these pictures. There's people all over here. I don't know. I need people in person skills because, yeah, it's too much fun. Okay guys, so I just left my I just left my cousin's drive-through graduation. Now we're gonna go take some shots at the harbor. I gotta find parking, but that's what we're finna go do. Gonna go have some fun. I gotta figure out how to get myself into focus and how to lock the focus on the camera because it doesn't lock. But all right, let's go because I don't want to take too much of my battery. Okay, guys, we're here. It's hot. Okay, let me tell y'all. Can I post this somewhere? Let me put this right here. Or is it gonna fall? It's gonna fall. But we're here. So y'all can see me a little bit. Shout it. Okay. Can y'all? Okay. Yeah. Come into focus. Come into focus. Come a la flor. Get off of my camera. Get. Okay. That's about as much as in focus as it's gonna get right now. So change of plans. Okay, I was going to the harbor, but I've been really wanting to come to this place, right? It's called the Great Falls of the Potomac, and I've really been wanting to come here for like probably a couple of months. But I never, because I live so far away from it, I never come out here. It crossed my mind today that since I'm closer, like, I was going to, okay, it's a long story. I was going to my cousin's graduation party. And I was like, dang, how far am I going? Annapolis? And then I was like, oh, you know what's out Annapolis? This place. And I'm like, I wonder how far it is from my cousin's house. I probably could just, like, go past, right? GPS says it's 50 minutes away. And I'm like, well, it's closer than my house. I'm like almost 2 hours away from this place. So it's gonna be a hell of a drive back, but yeah, so I just came out here, and then I went to go get gas, and after I left the gas station, I was like, I don't feel like driving that far. Like, what if my car doesn't make it? I drive a very unstable car, so like, what if I break down on the side of the road? I don't have any air conditioning. Like, it's just a lot playing into why making this trip would be so difficult. But I did it anyway. My mother doesn't know where I'm at right now. I'm gonna call her as soon as I get to the falls. It's populated as people here. I kind of was getting scared because I don't know where I'm at. I know I'm in Maryland, and that's basically all that I know. I don't know anything else about the situation. Like, I don't know where I'm at. I just saw this in a picture and was like, I have to go. And so I'm here now. I have on sandals. I don't have on walking shoes. I have on these tight jeans that I could barely fit into, but I tried it anyway. And it's a cute top because I just was going to the harbor. Like, I wasn't coming out to a hiking trail. So I don't have any sneakers or bug spray or sunscreen or glasses. But I'm here though. And you know, it's very impromptu, but I'm here, so let's go. It's a nice breeze. Oh, it feels so good. I wonder if it's gonna rain. This is extremely what is the word called when you just do something and you don't really think about it? Not impromptu, but just off the wing, I guess. I don't really know what it was a nice drive. Here's a lot of mansions out here. Okay, so let's go make this walk and let's see what we can see if it's worth $20. All right, let's go. Don't run with lion. Don't climb with monkey. Okay. I knew it was snakes out here, y'all. I knew it was, and that's why I was like, I don't have any sneakers on. I should wear some sneakers because there's snakes out here. I told y'all. Okay, real quick, because my battery's halfway gone. I need to learn how to take videos when I'm walking, or like how to keep still, because like when I'm filming, because it's like almost impossible for me. All of my videos are going to be really wobbly because I can't take still photos. I mean, y'all know what I mean. Okay, my bad. I'm gonna save some battery for the next shoot. I'm gonna do a night shoot at the harbor. Just knock it out the park. Just knock it out the park. Just do it because I can. My underarms reek. I lost my deodorant, and so I've been having to use a cheap deodorant, and I didn't know that I was gonna be out here today, so I didn't bring any extra deodorant with me, but I should have. Girl, it's nice out here. The water feels so good, like the breeze, that I'm tempted to go and jump in the water because it's literally so beautiful. Oh, and I wish I did my hair different. My ponytail is lopsided, but I wasn't taking pictures of me. So I didn't necessarily have time to do my hair either. So I gotta rock with it today. But it is so beautiful out here, you guys. The view is gorgeous. The camera's taking beautiful pictures, and the water is nice. I wanted to see like a big overhead waterfall, like, you know what I mean? That was nice though. I wasn't expecting that. It was actually really beautiful. But I did want to see some overhead waterfalls. So this isn't the place, but it's like nice little walk areas. This is the spot that I was talking about. I had to put my face mask on. Y'all, you can't even see me right now. Guys, look at the goddamn view. Oh my god. I don't want to record so much because I do actually want to save some battery for okay guys, I had to find like a little quiet spot to check in. So blah, blah, blah. The waterfall is gorgeous. This is what I'm looking at now. Actually, I lost it, but yeah, I'm gonna take like a quick break and then we're gonna go. I still got some battery left, so we might actually be able to take some, do another shoot. And the gag is that I need some more deodorant, but that's between me and you. It's gorgeous out here. I didn't take any videos, guys. I literally just remembered to take videos as soon as I got in the car. I kind of hate doing this, like talking in a car garage, because I feel like somebody might try and rob me. Even though we at the harbor, and the harbor doesn't really have that reputation. Like, I don't hear about that type of stuff, but then again, it's the harbor. Like, who's to say that that doesn't happen? Anyway, I forgot to get videos. I'm hot. If y'all watched my last or my next video, I don't know what order it's in, my hair didn't last. I did a, if y'all watched the blow drying video, the blow dry my hair with me and the straighten my hair with me video, my hair did not last. Like, I think I was gonna walk around like this. I'm sweating boots. I don't know how else to say it. I'm sweating boots. I am hot. I'm hot, but you can't tell because I got powder on my face. So it's like, is she? Like, no, I am in a sauna up in here. Like, it's too hot. And I really want to go to McDonald's, even though I hate McDonald's. I kind of am craving some french fries and a sweet tea. You know what I'm saying? I might do that. But it's always hella gorgeous. It's always gorgeous people at the harbor. Like, it's always some extremely handsome guys at the harbor. And my hair just would not stay straight. So did I get the bait today? Nope. I also had my earphones in, so the people that was looking couldn't get the tuck in because I wasn't listening. Let me go. I paid for my ticket. I can't wait. I'm gonna go to McDonald's and catch some McDonald's. I might take y'all with me, or y'all might just see me later. I'm sorry I didn't get any footage from the harbor today. We could probably go back to MGM if they still open and get some footage there. But I didn't get any footage here, like at the actual waterfront. Okay guys, come on, cause it's hot. I gotta turn these windows down because there ain't no air conditioning. It ain't no air conditioning. Let's go.